Cole's Garage Door Repair Bridgewater is your trusted partner when it comes to reliable and professional garage door services in Bridgewater, New Jersey. Why? Let's dive right in. Have you ever had a day ruined by a malfunctioning garage door? A door that won't open when you're late for work or won't close when it's pouring outside? We understand the importance of a smoothly functioning garage door, both for the safety and convenience of your home. Located right here in Bridgewater, our team of skilled technicians is well equipped to handle any garage door challenge thrown our way. Our commitment goes beyond just fixing your garage door. We focus on providing a seamless experience for our customers. From the moment you call us to the completion of the job, we ensure top-notch service, transparent communication, and unmatched expertise. With years in the industry, we've mastered the ins and outs of garage door repair in Bridgewater. So, next time you're faced with a creaky, stubborn, or broken down garage door, remember to call Cole's Garage Door Repair Bridgewater. We guarantee prompt, efficient, and cost-effective solutions tailored to your needs.